today my fidget spinner finally came. So, not fidget spinner, but fidget cube this time. This is the box it's in. Work, class, home. Click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. Okay, let's see what this thing's like. Alright, excuse my puppy pants. Ooh, that's ripped. Let's hope the cube itself wasn't damaged. Sorry about this super not focused camera, but you guys get the first peek. What is this? Alright, well, oh, okay. I thought this was going to be like a fidget spinner except a cube, but it came with packaging. I guess I'll reuse this box sometime. So this is the packaging it came in. Alright, so I guess I have to take it out of this thing now without breaking this. So here we go. Oh. Oh. I see. Oh. I thought this was going to be like a fidget spinner, but it's not. So this is actually really cool. Well, guys, I'll do another video of me playing with it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually pretty cool. I like this. I guess you can kind of spin it like a fidget spinner, but, you know, it's really cool. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to have to end this video here, but this is the fidget spinner. Now, I'm just going to put it back in its case, but bye.